All right, kindergarten. Happy to have you back. This is your new skills that you're going to do, your centers. So in one of the centers, you're going to have a packet here. Each person's going to get a packet with the different shapes on them. And then you're also going to have a bag of paper clips that you're going to need to share with everybody at your table. The idea here is that you're going to take some of these paper clips and you're going to outline the shape. So I'm working on the square right here. You're going to go all the way around as best as you can. It might not be perfect. They might move a little bit, that's okay. Once you have the first shape done, you move on to the second shape, and then you keep on moving right through this packet that's here. So we have all of your shapes, you know, hearts and crescents, not a moon, circles and ovals, diamonds and triangles, pentagon stars, and octagon and hexagon. So this is set number 1. All right, set number 2 has all of this good stuff in it. So we're going to take the yarn out of here. We're going to need that. That's going to be hair. You're going to make a little self-portrait. Everybody's going to need one paper plate. You're going to take your markers and you're going to draw your face on here. So I'm going to start right about in the middle. I'm going to draw like a hill, and then I'm going to do a smile so it looks like a football shape. Do the same thing on the other side, football shape. I'm going to give myself a little nose, okay, like that. And then I'm going to change my colors, and I'm going to put on my eyebrows, which should match my hair. And the eyebrows are a long triangle type shape. Long triangle type shape. There we go. Color that in. I'm going to add just a few eyelashes here on the side, not too many. So that was using the markers in the yellow box. Now I'm going to move to the markers that are in the blue-green box. So here I'm going to come in with my eyes. So inside my football, I'm going to draw baseball, 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 and then in the center we have a black part, so it's going to be a golf ball. Football, baseball, golf ball. Then I need a mouth, so I'm going to do this. So first I'm going to start with a straight line. This is between my two lips, and then I'm going to do the top lip, and then I'm going to do the bottom lip. If you want to color it in, then color it in. You might lose that line. If you want that line to show up, go back with another color and redraw it so that you see it. There we go. Now we get into the last part. We're going to use the brand new hole punches, and I am going to start straight over from my eye. I'm going to punch some holes all the way around the top to my other eye. I'm going to stop, and I'm going to take a piece of yarn. Here's the yarn. If you take a piece and you just pull on it, it will come undone for you. So now I'm going to take this. This is going to be my hair, and I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to go up and then around, and I want to go up again. Pull, up, pull, up, pull, up through the hole. Okay, all the way around, and I didn't quite pull all of mine, so I'm going to come back and do the extra. I got a finger on it so I don't pull it out by accident, because that is so frustrating when you do stuff like that. You have to start all over again. All right, so I'm going to continue all the way around, and we can cut anything that is extra, or, ta-da, I'm done. I can tie the two ends together. Whichever floats your boat. Cut it, tie them. I don't know, you could hang it on a hook. There you go. Hang it on a hook like that. So that, put it on the doorknob in your bedroom. So that is the second one. Here is the third one that we have. So you're going to be using some Play-Doh. Each person gets half of one of these, not the whole thing. Don't be greedy. And you have the ABCs here. It's showing you how to make this. So I'm going to take my Play-Doh. I don't need all of that. I'm going to roll it. You can roll it on the table if you want. You're going to make a snake. In our class, we don't actually call those snakes. We call this a coil. And you're going to need to know all about that in 4th grade. But shh, you're not in 4th grade yet. So you can call it a snake. I'm rolling side to side, rolling, rolling, rolling. And now I'm going to go ahead and make the letter. Because it's Play-Doh and it can go back together, I'm going to break it into smaller pieces. So there's the first part of my A. Here's the second part of my A. And here's the middle part of my A. Ta-da! Now I can squish it back together. Roll it between my hands. Roll it on the table so I get that snake. What did I say we called that again? A coil. That's right. Did you remember that? So here's going to become my B. So I'm going to take some. There's the top part of the B. I need to roll this a little bit more. Here comes the, or that was the long part of my B. Here comes the second part of my B. Okay. You're going to go through the alphabet here. Uppercase, lowercase, and if you get all of that done, you can go ahead and do your numbers also. All right, here is another one. This one's interesting. We're going to take this string, this yarn, and we're going to tie it between two things so it's hanging there like a clothesline, like, I don't know if you even know what that is, but where people would string this stuff up and they'd hang their clothes on it. So I'm going to have to lay it down. Sorry, I can't hang it and show you at the same time. And then we have these little pipe cleaners. And you're going to bend these pipe cleaners, you're going to hang them on the string, and you're going to twist them together. Okay, you're going to twist them like that. So you're going to get a whole row of this. And we're really working on being able to take these and twist them so they overlap. They sort of look like a fish. See, a fish. And then you have to twist your fingers in your hand, and then they will hang on here. So this is all about getting that twisting action going on here. You can attach extra pipe cleaners to this pipe cleaner in addition to the string. Before we move on, you're going to have to untwist them also and just put them back in the box. So we have a lot of those plus your string. All right, everybody, this is the last one that we have here for you to do. So what you're going to be doing, a lot of stuff in here. There's paper, and there's a stencil. There's a lot of stencils. This is a strawberry, and you're going to trace your strawberry onto the paper. Just use a pencil. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I'm going to trace the stencil, keeping my pencil against the paper stencil, the gray. Something that you trace like this is called a stencil. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and cut them out. All right, so we're just going to follow along that line. Remember, thumb on top and in the little hole, up and down, turning the paper as you're cutting. Okay, across here. You're going to finish cutting that out. Then you're going to trace on the green, we have leaf stencils. Here are the leaves. So you're just going to put that right on there, trace and cut this out. And then you're going to have this. How do you get these yellow things on here? Well, yours are going to look a little different because I changed my mind. I thought you would have some fun instead of cutting out straight things, using these hole punches again. So here's our hole punch. The paper does not go here. It goes between this thing that sticks out like a tongue and the black part. So I'm going to stick it in here, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to hole punch, hole punch, hole punch, hole punch, and we keep doing this. Now here's the trick. You have to take the black part and very gently, oh hello, this one is not moving for me. You might need an adult to do this. There it goes. And there's all of our circles, and we're going to do one dot of glue, put a circle on it, one dot of glue, put a circle on it. And that will give us our finished strawberry. All right, so that's it. That's all of your centers. Have fun.